Hello my friends on internet. I'm with Teacher Taima once again. I'm come back to share with you about ICDL diagnostic test, especially teamwork. So we are going to answer together teamwork ICDL diagnostic test. So most welcome but first of all, remember to make subscribe, share and like on our channel called Teacher Taima TV official. So most welcome on your big platform which called Teacher Taima TV official. Let's start together. If you want to continue, you can press here to continue. So let's continue together. So come here on start, press on start. Okay, let's start from the question number 1, which says, which technology are important to support teamwork? The correct answer is a collaborative tools. Then the answer to continue. The question number 2, one of the main goals of collaborative tools. The correct answer is to support calendar and task management. Then the answer to continue. So the question number 3. Which one of the following example of collaborative platform? The correct answer is Teams. Answer to continue. The question number 4. A common feature of the collaborative platform is. Question number 4. Easy. CD. Improve a single point of work management. Then answer to continue. The question number 5. A typical permission granted in a collaborative tool platform is. The correct answer is a permission to post a message. Then answer to continue. Question number 6. An example of a tool usually integrated into a collaborative platform. The correct answer is a chat messaging. Then answer to continue. Add a OneNote app to app bar. We scroll down to app, then you scroll up to a OneNote. The answer is here. Then the answer to continue. Question number 8. Add a channel called project to learn one team. You will come here to learn one team. Then you will choose the number. The number is project. Then you will come to add, correct. The question number 9. Which one of the following statements regarding using data on collaborative platform is correct? The correct answer is analytic can generated from using activity. Then answer to continue. Where should you click to find the resource on how to use team effectively? Here we have D, we have A. The correct answer is here. It means the answer is B. Then answer to continue. Click to see what feature have been recently added to the team platform. You come at the help center here. Then you come here. What's new? Then answer to continue. Switch to a daily view of the calendar. Switch to a daily view of the calendar. You will come here on the month. And here is month. Then you put here on daily. Then answer to continue. Delete year of the project meeting. The project meeting is this first one. You will come here, then you come to the edit, delete. You will come here to delete, then you delete, answer, continue. Question 14. Share your calendar with Chris Becker. Share a calendar with Chris Becker. You will come here to share, then calendar with Chris Becker, then enter an email address or contact, then you choose Chris Becker, share, then answer to continue. Question number 15. Add a group calendar to Learning One in team using the calendar bot. You come here on the apps, then you come here on calendar bot, then you open, then you add to a team, then you place here to search, then you put general, scroll up, scroll down please, set up, then you save, then answer to continue. A common feature of a task management tool is a task scheduling. Then you answer to continue to the question number 17. So question 17 is create a task called review and assign it to CB Learning 1. To create a task review, you will come here to task, then you will enter task name here. After enter task name, you will place you will come here to CB. Let's scroll up, then add, collect, delete review task. To delete a review task, you will come here, will come or to delete a review task. You will come at the 3 dot, then you come here to delete, then answer to continue. So I wanna remember you that if you make 2 mistakes in this diagnostic test, the question is pass, and even in exam. So you make attention for what you do. You avoid to make some mistakes. If you make 2 mistakes, your question is pass. So let's continue on question number 19. Change the status of the order coffee task to complete. You will come here to order coffee, then answer to continue. Question number 20. It says that instant text messaging is a synchronous communication tool. So question number 21st. Start a chat conversation with Betty Jones and Chris Becker and send a message. Hello, have you heard about the new project? So you will come here to chat, then you will place here to take the Betty Jones. After you will add Chris Becker here, then after you will come here, type message, then you will send your message. Answer to continue. Question number 22nd. Attach and send a new project document with active chat message. As usual, if you want to attach a document, you will come at this symbol, then you attach your document. A document is called new project, so new project is here. You will attach on new project, then you open it. After opening, you will send. Okay, answer to continue. Question number 23. View your saved chat messages. If you want to view your saved message, you will come here this profile, then you will come here to saved, then answer to continue. A commonly used meeting tools is Zoom, correct answer is Zoom, then answer to continue. Question 25. Start instant video meeting with Betty Jones. You will come here. This is a video symbol. This is called symbol, send, shared, etc. So you can answer to continue. Schedule the project meeting to review on the first Monday of every month, then save the change. The project meeting is here. You will go here and go to the edit. After edit, you will come here to the repeat, never, then you choose every month. After choose every month, you will come to save, then answer to continue. Cancel one instant of project meeting requiring meeting. You will search project meeting is here, then you need to cancel, but they asked you to cancel one instant. So if is one, you will come here to this event here, then answer to continue. Decline the invitation to the IT meeting. To decline it means to say no. To cancel is means to say no, then answer to continue. Set a 15 minutes for all business update. Where is a business update is here. Then you will set 15 remind day for all business. You will come here to edit, or they asked you, or you will come here to all events. Then you will come to remind me never. Then you will choose 15 minutes. After choose 15 minutes, you will remember to save change. Then answer to continue. Unmute microphone. To unmute microphone. Here is microphone, here is a video. So this all is muted. So they ask us to unmute a microphone here. Then answer to continue. Questions at first. As a meeting organizer, end the meeting for all participants. For all participants, if you need to end a meeting for all participants, you will come here, then end meeting here. Answer to continue. Start a web browser window screen of the giving control of the screen. See neighbor. So here you can make attention. You will come here to, then you will come here to Google. You will come here to give a control at this symbol. Then you place here to see neighbor. Then answer to continue. Open a new meeting note. Open new meeting note for active meeting. You will come at the 3 dot here, then show meeting note. So then take notes. Answer to continue. Schedule the translator seminar webinar for November 30, 2022. Start at this time and lasting at these hours. Keep the time zone sure. So you will come here to the schedule webinar. Then they ask us November 30, 2022. Here you will come here to set the 30. Then you come here, choose this time here. Then you will come here to choose 6 hours, then schedule. Answer, continue. I remember you that in this module we have 49 questions. So this is questions at 5. Allow webinar panelists to rename themselves. To allow them, you will come here the settings. Then you will come here to allow participants to rename themselves. I remember you that in exam they can ask you to allow this one, remove participants to join, remove it to join, hide, and so on. So then you answer to continue. Cancel the border game collaborators webinar. You will come here, webinar, you will come here in webinars. Then you will come here to border game collaborators. They ask you to cancel. you will come here to delete, then you will come here to cancel, then answer to continue. Ask, will there be another seminar in the future using the webinar Q&A function? Q&A function is here. Scroll down, then you come here, then you type your question here. After that, you will send here, then answer to continue. And the active webinar for all participants to end, you will scroll down, then you end here, and meet for all, you will end for all participants is here, then answer to continue. Create a public link to share the instant webinar recording with default setting. You will come here in records, then after they asked you to insert webinar. To insert webinar is here. Insert webinar is here. You will come here to share, then you will open here, share the recordings, then you make sure that publicly is opened, then you answer here, done, answer to continue. Open the location of the file associated with the general channel. You will come here, then you will come here to general, then you will come here to file, then answer to continue. Download the translation search document from the translation channel. You will come here to the translation, then you will come here to the file, then you will choose the translation research document here, then you will come back to the three dots for download, then you download, then after to download you will come here to save, then answer to continue. Create a copy, a shared link to translation search document that does not allow a participant to edit that document. You will come here to the share, you come here to anyone with the link can edit, then allow editing. You don't allow editing the message here to apply, then you come here to copy the link, then after copy here, answer to continue. Create internal group called learning one with public access, include this one. So you will come here to create a group, then after you will put the name is this, then you add group member, then here if check if the public access is open, then you come here to create group, answer to continue. Share the post from Roland K with Don H. Don H will come here to the Roland Kid is here. You will come here to share. After come here to share, you will come here to add participant. Add. We need the participant. We need to add is Don H. You will come here to here to add. Then you share. Answer to continue. Add a company budget from your device to the LAN one in this here microboard. You will come at the following symbol, this symbol, then you go to my device, then you choose the document is called company budget. Company budget is here, then you open, follow, share, then answer to continue. Share. The next one is, let's continue to question 46. We are near the end. I think it remains only 3 questions. So share the learning one in this board. You will come here to the share. Yes, enter the email here. Then you choose someone who called Chris Becker. Chris Becker is this. It's here. Then they ask us to give permission to view only. The permission to view only, you come here to set it. You will come here to can view. Then send invitations and answer to continue. Question 47. Open a spreadsheet company budget in team and click on the cell that is being edited by another team member. The company budget is here, is this, I think. the company budget is this, then click here, the answer. That is a sheet which edited by Peter. So question number 48 is start conversation with Zoe Best about the open spreadsheet and send the message. So how can you collect them? How can you collect them? First of all, you need to come here on conversation. Then you will scroll down, come here, you need to start, then you find Zoe Best. After, then send message. Then you send a message, then answer to continue. So this is a question. The last question is question 40. There is question 49. So the last question is access the version history of translation search document. So you need to come here on the file, then after to come to the file, come here on the info. After come on the info, come here to the history, then answer to continue. Anyway, this is end our diagnostic test. So I wish you to make subscribe here on Teacher Timer TV official. So this is end of our diagnostic. If you see our video, remember to make subscribe, share and like. So after that, we can check our score marks. Let's see, let's check how many marks. Let's see. Okay, this is 100 out of 100 marks. So I'm always Teacher Timer. I wish you to success your ICDL exam. God bless you.